Yeah, today topic is XML Publisher Report. So on XML Publisher Report, I'm going to explain today. Visible? Increase it. Let me, I'm increasing the size. So you guys able to see, right? No.
It's not visible, sir.
Okay, let me enter. So today topic is XML Publisher Report. We can call as a BI Publisher Report also. That is Business Intelligence report. This is a reporting tool, one of the reporting tool. So as of now, we know how we are developing an RTF report. So now we need to another report as a XML Publisher Report. What is the major difference between the RTF report and XML Publisher Report? While running at that time, we are modify the. I mean, we can select the whatever we need to record at the runtime. We can select the multiple outputs. But whatever we have done the functionality, same ways we need to develop that report, or we need to build the query, and we need to run the report and everything. Okay. First step. Develop the query. As per the requirement, we are going to develop the query. And second thing, build the report. Okay. And third one is the define the concurrent program and attach the concurrent program to request group. Then we need to give the access to responsibility. You can give to the responsibility to the user. And we need to open the XML Publisher Report. For design purpose, we are going to develop using the XML. And after we need to run the report. For XML tags. Okay. We need to go to the XML Publisher. Create data definition and template. Again, we need to run the report. We'll get the output. Okay. This is the steps. Okay. First step is I'm going to develop the query as per my requirement. Just I'm taking some example like select star from PO headers or table. I'm putting alias name as a POH. Just I'm running the program. So I'll take one sample, one PO number. So PO header ID I will take. This is a primary ID. Okay. The segment one is the PO number. Let me I'll take this segment POH dot segment 16815. Okay. So whatever we have developed in the RDF report, same like that only we are going to develop here. So I will join the PO lines table also. And join is the PO header ID. POH you can dot you can able to see the all the columns. What are the columns? Just you need to enter on. Just select it and enter. And alias name I given, right? Just I can give that one. Then I will select PO header ID. So I just once done, then I will check this how many records. All records are coming. So I want to see the here. Let me I'll see the what are the line level table, what are there in the line level table. So this information in the line level. So line item ID is there, but item I want to see the item. Okay, but it's an item ID is different, item is different. Okay, let me I'll show you what is the difference between item ID and item. Item information is stored into the MTL system items. Okay, so you can see item ID. So I selected only item ID. So I want to see the item. What is the item? Exactly item for this item ID. So for this one, let me have item ID, right? Select star from MTL system items where item ID equal to 1627 1627 44. Sorry, it's noted down. 162744. So item ID is not there. So it's an inventory item ID. Because this is the called the it's coming on the inventory model. So it's coming as a inventory. This is the PO related. So PO is coming. This is a header level information. This is the line information. It will come like that. Okay. Just I'm running this thing. You can able to see. See every operating unit having as a all organization ID having the all the items. You can see the segment one. You can see what is the item. See AS 1000. This is the item. Okay. Copy. You can see this is the item. So this item I want to join here. So that case I'm going to give the so join is the item ID from the line level table. Inventory item ID is from the system, MTL system table. Okay. I'll put an alias name as the MSI. means first letter of that letter I am putting MSI. So I'll join here. So nd dot pol dot inventory. Sorry, inventory item ID is not there. Item ID is there here. Okay, item ID equal to MSI dot
inventory
item ID. Inventory item ID. So I'll run this thing. Okay. And I want to see the MSI segment one also, comma, MSI dot segment one. Okay. Comma. I'll run this thing. Okay. So I can see so many duplicates. We are calling as a duplicates, but actually this is not any duplicate because there is the organization IDs are different. I'll show you from here. Say 2000, say there is no proper given, org ID is the same. Say this is called as we are calling as a duplicates. Okay. So actually how many records should need to come? Only one record should need to come. So because you are not giving the proper join. So that's the reason it's coming as a duplicates. Okay. So we need to check why it's coming because MTL system items B, you can see for this item having the multiple lines are coming. See one item having the multiple lines it's coming. You can see how many is coming? 6 are coming. Okay. You can run this thing, this code you can run. How many is coming? 6. Okay. So org IDs, organization IDs are different. So I'll give the again join with pol dot org ID equal to MIC dot organization ID. Okay. Now we can see how many records are coming. One record. Because if you are giving the proper join, it will get. Okay. So I am taking the sum columns. So alias name, I will give this one. I'll take the, first of all, I'm taking the PO number. So PO number where is stored? POH dot segment one. What is it? PO underscore number. Okay. This is the PO number. And this is the item. Okay. Then next what I need to take. So what are columns we need to recall? We'll see. We want to see just POH alias name just star. So all PO headers, all records will come. So what I will get? See now, if run it, I'm getting some error from keyboard, not from the where aspect. It means some comma somewhere is missing. So from means before from somewhere. So before from whatever the statement is there is some issue before. Okay. So after the star, I want to see the comma. Comma is not there, so it's throwing an error. Again, it's showing an as error where it's showing PO number also. I'm not putting as a comma. So I'll run. So now I am getting. So I will take the type ID also. What is the order PO type ID? Is it a standard or planned or blanket? What is the type? I can see where I can see from the PO header stable. I can see. Okay. So PO number, item, and this, I'll see the line level table. Some columns I'll take again line level table also. So again, comma. So line level table, this is the line level tables.
Okay. PO header ID is a line number, line type ID is a line number is there, and item is a category ID is a item description is there. I'll take the item description. Okay. So this navigation, they will functional people guide to you where you need to go, what are the columns they need to record as per the documentation of the MD50. You will get the all the information. Okay. I'll remove this thing. So once this done, just I'll run this report. So how many records are coming? So I want to display in the output as a PDF or a text or XML, all the I can able to show. So just you can, before going take this one, like format, you need to do the format of this SQL. Okay. It should looks like good. You can see, observe, this is our keywords. Select from where and keywords. Okay. Item and lookup code. I'll mention. I can mention whatever name that is standard, right? So pivot type I will mention. So whatever my requirement, I'm going giving the alias names. Okay. So pivot type, I'm going to enter. Pivot type, I will enter. Anyhow, item description will come. So I'll run. So copy this SQL statement and I'm going to report builder. Okay. So what I need to go first? First, initially, you need to connect the report builder. Otherwise, you can go to the data model. Because designing perspective, we are going to design into the RTF. I mean, XML Publisher by using on designing perspective, we are using on the RTF. So I'll click on the data definition. So in the data definition, what I need to take SQL. Just I click on the SQL, automatically it will come the SQL query statement. Just paste the whatever my query is there. Just I'm pasting it. Just click on OK. Once I click on OK, they will ask the please connect the database. So which is this database and this database both are same. Okay. And WinSAP server details is a different. Okay. So I am going to enter my username and password and database name. What is the database name? If it's a development instance, dev instance will come, dev, it will come. So the naming conversion, they will provide in the TN instance. Generally, it's a dev means dev is there, and prod means prod is there, UAT means UAT is there, like that. Okay. So from here, database, this is the, just I'm giving the connect. You can able to see this is the query. This is group of the columns of the G of PO number group. This is the columns. Okay. So what I need to do next step, I'm going to compile this report. Just Control Shift K. Is it compilation completed successfully? If it's an error, I'll show here. So I'll say like this. No, some commas, otherwise something they're not going to allow. Okay, see, there is coming some because already there is a comma is there, so it's not going to allow. Control Shift K. Okay. File, save as. What I will put name. So it's an PO related means XX underscore PO details. Okay. So XX PO details. So save as output format as the what is that dot RDF. We are going to save as the RDF. XX PO details RDF. Okay. Before starting, I forgot to tell one thing. So there is in XML Publisher Report, we will do the two ways. One is the RDF, one is without RDF. Now I am explaining today with RDF only. Okay, next class I am going to explain without RDF. This is clear, right? So as of now, whatever you have done, the same thing is clear. So, but I'm not going to design this template. So as I told you in XML RDF report, we need to go to the frame, main frame, repeating frame, and text and fields. I'm not going to designing from here. Just I'm saving the, take the query and whatever the requirement I'm doing from RDF, and I will save as a, just I saved it. Okay, from my local machine. Now what I need to do next step, if I'm opening in the WinSAP. WinSAP is the server. So it's connecting in the server. Let me unconnect in the server. It's not connecting server. Anybody can able to connect the server? We need to move this file to the server. Let me just pass the recording because I'm not unable to connect the server. Anybody can server, can you connect? Let us know. Can you try anybody? We need to move the file to the server. Let me try to another server. Shit. Let me, I'm connecting, reconnecting. I'll share you one second. So these steps, whatever I discussed, these steps and everything is the same like on RDF report only. Don't check this. So let me, I'll take the, already I have developed the one report, right? I have moved to the RDF report. So that report I am explaining, okay? But the designing part is same, okay? Now it's connecting. Now the server is connected. What is our report? PO details report, right? So where I need to go here? Good. So what I is Oracle is the first one. Because Apple. So this is the custom tab and this is the standard tab. So I'm going to put on standard tab. Anybody knows what is this custom tab and these tabs? So interview point of view, they will ask, okay. So this under default, any organization, if you go, this all the reports in the, for example, if is there, what are the, this is standard Oracle has provided to you. So all these information is a standard. This is under all standard reports. All RDF reports only we can able to see. So in the custom tab, whatever we have developed for our project, we have developed, we are moving to the custom path, and this standard path we are not going to move, because if there any apply the patches, anything as I mean any issue with the application, they want some patches applied. You can see in your mobile every 6 months, like you will get a patch applied. So some future new feature they're going to implement. The same purpose they will also do the implement into the Oracle. So that purpose, on that time, what they do, they will do at implement the patch. So if apply the patch, so it should not reflect our objects, which is we are developing the custom objects, which is not affected. It should not be affected, because so we are done the our customization. So that's the reason we are putting into the custom tab. So whatever apply the patches, the patch is not applicable for our custom tab. So that's the reason we are putting in the custom path always. Okay. Any doubt in this pathwise? And let us know me. Okay. Just I am moving the, just drag and drop.
Custom, sir, custom path we have to create ourselves, or yeah, DBA people will make that
No,
path.
initially while starting another project and implementation, they will, I mean, our DBA people, they will create and they will give for us the custom tab. The custom tab always like XX project name should be there. Okay. You are clear, right? While we are doing a custom path, so all the our whatever we have developed in the custom reports, all reports we are going to move into that custom tab. Okay. In the standard reports, what are the standard functionality? Everything is there in the particular responsibility, like POE, PER, GL, inventory. All models are model wise, it will display in the Oracle default. If is then any upgradation is happening, so it should not reflect our custom reports. Okay. So just I'm moving this file. Just I'm checking the file has moved on timestamp. You need to see. Okay. You can see timestamp here. This is my report. Okay. So then what is the step? Once I move to the develop the report and I have what is the step? I need to define the concurrent program. Go to the concurrent program. First step, I need to go to concurrent program executable. Okay. So what I need to give, whatever name I can give. Okay. I'll give XXPO underscore details. I'll give my name as a whatever name I will give. The short name also I'll give the same name. And application which is this belongs to purchasing. Okay. Just I'll give the model as a model name is the application name we can give. So description we can give. Executable method name as the Oracle report I need to give. executable file name should be same as a whatever you're saved, you're moved the file, right? This name should be the same. Okay. The name should be the same without extension. Copy. I need to paste here. Just this is the executable file name should be same as the RDF file name. Okay. Then click on save. You can see the one record and applied and save. This information also you can see the all information diagnostic examine also you can see this information. What is the executable file name under this tables also is there. Okay. So let me I'll save here. So what is the executable name file name? This is the my executable file name. Just I copy this one. Just to close and again define the concurrent program. So I will give the XXPO details report. Okay. Short name should be whatever you can give it. Okay. Short name, I given the different name. Okay. Previous I'm giving the small letters and cap letters I'm giving. And you can see the purchasing. See, executable name nothing but the whatever we are giving the executable, that name should need to give. Once you give the name, press tab, automatically method should need to come the Oracle report. Okay, just I'll show you. Now I entered the right executable name. Just I'm pressing on the tab. Automatically Oracle reports should come, right? You can go here. You need to select as the XML. Okay. If it's an XML is there, then you can blindly you can save same as the this is the XML Publisher Report. Okay. Then I'll select the this style. Click on save. Okay. I saved this thing. Okay. So what I've done first step, executable and define it. Next, I'm going to attach this concurrent program to the request group. So if you know the request group, you can. If you don't know, go to responsibility and click on define. Click on F11. And you know the module name, which module that is purchasing. Okay. Just control F11. So you can see what is the name here, request group, all reports. Okay. You need to copy this report name. Copy, close, go to request and F11. Request group, control F11. So now you can see this all reports is belongs to fixed assets also is there, but we need to payables also same request group. But I want to put in the purchasing. So I'm here, click on plus symbol in the top left hand so create, click on new. Okay, I can see here XXPO tab, you can see PO details report, our report will come. Okay, I'm saving on here. Once I save, let me, I'll go to close. So I attached and everything. Just I'll go, I'll run this report. Purchasing, vision, operation USA. So shortcut Alt V or N go. Okay. Select view request, submit new request, single request. You can see XXPO tab. I'm going to here you can see layout, anything is coming here. Nothing, right? Let me just I'm submitting now to generate a XML files. Okay. Now we can see view output. What you are getting? XML tags. This is the done means it's coming as a XML tags. This is the XML report. Okay. Let me, I will expand this one. Click on save as. So I'll put name as a PO XX PO details. Okay. And format as a dot XML. Okay, I'll go on save. I saved it, right? You are clear, right? As of now, any doubts?
No,
So
sir.
just I'm going to close this one. So now this is not our output, right? If you click on output, I can see this thing. This is not my output. I want to see the output like as a PDF. I want to see like this. Okay, but it's coming as a different. So for that, and also I'm not designing anything from here. In the layout, I'm not designing. So for that, I'm going to create an XML Publisher Report. Okay. First, if you are going to create an XML Publisher Report, you need to install the Oracle XML Publisher Desktop. You need to install it. Okay. This is the patch. We can call as a patch. XML Publisher, BI Publisher patch. You need to install it. If you raise the request, initially you won't get. Okay. You need to request to them. They will raise. Let me say Word document only we can write. So you can able to see here add-ons. This is not coming in normal Word document. Okay. So add-ons, it's in a patch. You need to in XML Publisher Report. You need to install this add-ons in your local machine. Okay. So this is the designing perspective. See, developing and everything with RDF, developing and everything we are doing on the data model. Okay. Where is the data model? I'll see here. See, data model is coming, but layout, I'm going to design from the here. Okay. So now we can see data, load XML data. Let me click on load XML data. So where is my thing? I'll go here. So this is my XML data. So what you will get? XML data load successfully. Okay. So I'm going to now you can see here. So I'm inserting some text. So whatever thing I want to see. So PO details report. Okay. I'll put whatever. So there is no any mainframe. There is no nothing, frame, nothing. So I'll put bold letters. And so this information in the document, they will mention what is the font I want. Okay. I'll put on this bold. I'll make it as a center. Okay. Just I'll enter here. So then I'll put on right side. Then I want to, here also there is the two option. One is wizard and one is the manual. Okay. So let me add ons. Already I load the XML data. Let me load XML data. Then I'll click go insert. Insert as a tabular wizard. We will see here wizard how we are going to wizard in the table format. Click on next. Group field is like this name and next. So what are columns you want to require? Click on next. So any group by is there, anything is there, we need to select and click on next sort by and field names like that become finish. We got it right now. So now data is coming like this. This is I'm not tabular. Okay. So this is report wizard, automatically it will come. So this is the number. So for example, I want to see the separately. So I'll go here and I'll insert whatever the things I want. I can put left, insert the table. So I want to insert the table like how many columns? 4 columns. You can do it manually also. Okay. So I want to insert, right? So I'll go here, add-ons, insert field. So which field I need to insert? PO number. Double click, it will come PO number here. Okay. So I will show you, this is the manual. Okay. Okay. Just I'll put on the top. So this is F means each group, for each group of the, what is the content of the data. This is the group, right? In the main query, what is the group? You can see here, this is the G underscore P of number as the group. So I am inserting same thing. Okay. So click on OK. So under this group, for each group, and I will end the last I will go to the end the each group. You can see end for each. Okay. Click on OK. Cancel. Cancel. So you can see the items. This is the tags. Okay. Less than and greater than and question mark. This is the tags. We can call as a tags. You can see the tags where you can go see where it is. You can go XML, right? You can right click, edit with Notepad+. You can see. You can type manually also. Okay. You can type manually also. G underscore P of number. You can type also. There is no issue with on that. So I want to change the PO number and default text like PO num. I can. And what is the length and what is the type of text? Okay. We can see everything. Is this is the number or what is the date and everything we can able to set. This is the regular text. Click on OK. Okay. I can see here nothing, default name is not coming. So I will put on PO number. Click on OK. It's coming, right? Then I'm going to save this file as the rich text format. So if I'm not done, if I'm not saved, let me, I'll see. I can see preview. This is the option, so you can able to see. Okay. Before going to define in application also, we can able to see here also. Click on PDF. So they will ask, this function requires the document should be the rich text format. It means we should need to save as the file as the RTF. Otherwise, it's a DOC document. Normal document, Word document. Click on OK. So they will ask what is the file name? XXPO details. Okay. Then extension as the .rtf. Click on save. Now we can see the output is coming. Okay. Then next, I want to see this output in the Excel. It's coming output. Okay. At the runtime, we can select multiple layouts. Okay. So I saved this one .rtf. So let me, I'm going, I want, but user does not, user not able to see like this, right? They want to run the report. In the output, I want to see that output. This, whatever we can see in the PDF output, that output I want to see from here. So what I need to do now, let me, I'll copy this program, close. Let me, I'll go, sysadmin. You need to note down on these points. So what is your program is giving the names and everything. So concurrent program name, short name, you should need to be the same of the concurrent program. Let me, I'll go. This is my concurrent program. So what is the short name? XXPO details. Okay. Now, one responsibility is there is that the responsibility nothing but the XML Publisher Administrator to register on the template. Okay. This is the template based report. Because we are designing prospective, we are going to designing and a template. Go to XML Publisher Administrator. Then click on Home. First, you need to go to the data definition. Once data definition you click, automatically the OAF page will open. Okay. So this is the data definition name. So I want to see the existing one. This is the, we need to first, we are going to create a data definition. You could click on create data definition, star mark here also same as the Oracle. It's a mandatory. You can give any name of the data definition name, but you need to remember that name. So what I will give XX PO details. Okay, I given this name and code nothing but the concurrent program short name should be the same name here. Control V. So this is the my concurrent program short name. Okay. So then application, which is this application? Purchasing. PO. You can see here purchasing. Select it. Okay. Click on apply. So once applied, you can see there is the XML schema is there, data template is there, preview data is there, busting control file is there. So everything I will explain in detail. So this is for without RDF, which is we are develop the data model also, we can create from the RTF only. So now I am explaining on the with RDF report. So now I am created the data definition. Okay. So what is a mandatory field? Concurrent program short name should be same as a program. So I'll go, you can see here confirmation, data definition XX PO detail has been successfully created. Now I'm going to template. Next, create on the template. So I'll give the template name. This name should name same as the, while submitting the program, it should need to come. Okay, I'll show you this one. So XX PO details template I'll give name. Okay, what I given XX PO details template. So program name, short name I can give anything, and application purchasing and data definition name. Whatever you are giving the name, that should be name. You need to give exact name. XX PO just percentage. I know only the. This is the details name, and which is the type RTF. And default output, what output you want to default in the report output, you should need to come. So RDF, no, it's an output format. These output formats I can see. PDF I'll select. Otherwise I'll select the Excel. Anything I can able to select. So now you need to, that template you need to attach to the here. Click on browse. So where you have developed here, click on here. And language is, it should come as a English. Okay. Territory as a US. We can single time we can pass the multiple countries also. That is multi-language translatable. We can able to see here translatable. Territory wise. Yes, should need to come. These many countries are, this is under default. See. Okay. Click on apply. Once applied, it's and saved on the report. You can see what is the template name. Template. I entered the name as the XXPO details template. I'll run that report. I'm going purchasing vision operation USA. How I am submitting? Alt VRNO, that is the shortcut key. Click on view, request, submit new request, click on OK. Then I'm entering the XXPO. You can see there is a different design. So XX space PO tab. So details. Now we can see here. Are you observe here now? So whatever previous is not coming. Now it's coming. So whatever name you are giving, that name it should come, then it's an RTF report. Okay. So at the runtime, we can change the format output. I want put an Excel, RTF. I can select anything at the runtime. So business what they run, they're running from here only. So that's the reason they're using an XML Publisher report. Click on submit. No. Fine. You can see, click view details. You can see the time stamping. So how much if time, you can see previous is not coming as a layout. Okay. So let me run. So view output. Now you can able to see, right? This is the XML Publisher report. Okay. And you want to see the XML files, diagnostic, view XML, you can able to see here. Okay. So if you done any mistake in the template, for example, I can clear. I will enter the PO number instead. XGO 001 to like. Click on OK. Say, just I'm going to view template. Click on update. Browse. I can RTF again. I'll apply. Then I'm going here. Submit the report again. Copy. Submit new request. Single request. Control V. Paste. Submit. No. The output is not good because we are giving the wrong. Okay. Any doubts? Yeah, I'll going to explain on the tomorrow. Yeah, this file is saved. So tomorrow I'm going to explain the without RDF. Now with RDF, I explain you. Without RDF, I will explain you. Then I will share you the document. I will prepare the document. I will a little bit late. It will take 1 day time for preparing whatever I inform. Same thing. I will share you the document. You can understand. See, compared to ODF report and XML report, how but easy on design prospect. You can drag and drop it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you to all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.